Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A06 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to localize a special number which is called build number or version number. So let's enter software information. And now we have to localize the build number. As you can see in this device, this is the name of it. So all you have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. And now we can go back to the general list of the settings and enter general management. Now let's scroll down, and that's not true, sorry, not the general management, because the developer options will appear right under the About Phone. So let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the crash dialog, we can show view updates, change the window animation scale. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking. All you have to do in order to turn on the feature is to simply tap on the switch on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, you can simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on the switcher, which is pinned to the top of the screen kind of. Simply tap on it, and as you can see, most of the options will be inactive. After getting back, the developer options should disappear from this list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.